Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing obstacles and vacuuming high-traffic crumbs so the machine can reach fibers. Next, pour hot water and a Hoover-approved solution to the fill line. This creates the cleaning mix that lifts soils. Attach the wand and hose securely, plug in, and switch on the unit. You should hear the pump prime. Once done, test a small hidden patch to confirm suction and solution flow before proceeding across the main carpet area. You should clean systematically. Work in overlapping 2 to 3 foot passes so each area gets a wet pass and a suction recovery pass. Push slowly to dispense solution, then pull deliberately to extract. This maximizes lift and removes trapped grit. Adjust the solution and suction based on carpet pile, lower suction on delicate rugs, higher on dense pile. Once done with broad sections, go over edges and high soil spots. You finish by emptying the recovery tank and rinsing both tanks. Running plain water through the system prevents sticky detergent buildup. Squeegee excess water with slow extraction passes, then ventilate the room and use fans to reduce drying to 4 to 12 hours, which prevents mildew. If you notice poor suction, stop and inspect the hose for clogs, ensure the recovery tank isn't full, and verify the belt and pump are engaging. That troubleshooting step solves most performance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.